sweetums. My darling.
What's the matter with you?
Nothing.
You want something.
You look radiant.
Shall we have sex now?
Sex?
Yes. Let's have sex.
I can't.
Why not?
I have to race my bicycle.
When is your next race?
Sunday morning at 10:35.
2 days from now.
Exactly.
Fuck me.
It would have to be quick.
Why?
I would have to keep my heart rate down.
Why?
I need to save my energy for the race.
Why?
I don't want to let down my team.
Why?
My team is my life.
Why?
I share a special bond with my teammates.
Why?
It's impossible to describe this bond.
Why?
It's special.
Please. Fuck me.
I got a better idea.
Like what?
Let's go out to the garage and do bike maintenance.
Is your bicycle dirty?
Filthy.
Will you need help cleaning it?
Absolutely.
What can I do?
For starters, you can lubricate my chain.
Oh wow. Bicycle racers are so sexy.